In the vast, turbulent seas, the elephant seal embarks on an arduous journey. Its path weaves through the cries of the gulls and the roar of the waves. Ponder the elephant seal's stoic tenacity as it battles relentless ocean currents. Its loyalty to the journey echoes the wisdom of ancient sages. Its journey is a testament to endurance, reflecting life's challenges and setbacks. Like a wise philosopher, it moves with a calm, determined spirit. Through every adversary it faces, the elephant seal displays an inner fortitude. Its journey teaches us the virtues of patience and persistence. Every dive into the depths is like embracing the unknown with courage and resolve. The seal's stoic nature embodies lessons for us all. Emerging from the sea, it returns to its colony, a symbol of steadfast loyalty. Like philosophers gathered, the seals rest upon the sand. Their community reflects a deep bond, embodying Stoic principles of unity and resilience. Wisdom is shared through silent companionship and enduring patience. Amidst life's trials, the elephant seal's journey reveals serene strength. Through shared silence, it whispers truths of wisdom and fidelity. As the sun sets on another day, we learn from the seal's endurance. Loyalty ensures survival, a timeless lesson carried gently on the waves. Through the seal's journey, Stoicism finds its voice and teaches us loyalty. In silent companionship, we discover a universal bond with nature,